Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Symbol of Knowledge. Hello friends, I have prepared specially for you question tags, rules and examples useful for standard 5th to 12th students, also useful for MPSC examination. Hello friends, if you like this video, please put on like and share it to your friends and relatives. If you still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. For next video, please click on bell icon. I have given the link of my channel in the description of this video. There are many playlists on my channel. You can choose any playlist and watch any video which you like. Okay friends, let us start without wasting time. Question tags. Question tags play an important role in our daily activities and communication. We use them directly or indirectly. They perform different roles and functions in different situations. To get conversation started and to keep it going, question tags are effectively used. It is a typical construction in English. Question tag is known as tag question, short question, brief question, small question, mini question, question tail. Question tag consists of helping verbs, positive or negative, plus pronoun, plus question mark. For example, was he question mark or didn't they question mark. Question tag is used at the end of the sentence to ask for confirmation. Use in a more polite way to request information. Use at the end of declarative or imperative sentences. A shortest form of question in English language. Rules with examples. Rule number 1. If the sentence is positive, question tag will be negative. For examples, we are going to visit India next week, aren't we? She has worked in the office since 2001, hasn't she? I studied French for 2 years, didn't I? George was driving a car, wasn't he? Julie gets up early in the morning, doesn't she? If the sentence is negative, question tag will be positive. For examples, they haven't played well yesterday, have they? Friends did not invite me for the ceremony, did they? The teacher was not explaining the point, was he? You were not talking with your friend, were you? The wind was not blowing when we reached there, was it? Rule number 2. If the sentence begins with this or that, use the pronoun it in question tag. This is the house of my uncle, isn't it? That was the most difficult question, wasn't it? This is not the way to go to the auditorium, is it? That wasn't comfortable for you, was it? If the sentence begins with these or those, use the pronoun they in question tag. These are the major issues in our country, aren't they? Those were the perfect taste for you, weren't they? These are not the books of our library, are they? Those were not your close relatives, Were they? Rule number 3. If the sentence is of simple past tense, use the verb did in question tag. We saw a movie yesterday, didn't we? They traveled UK last year, didn't they? John played very well today, didn't he? My father died in 2015, didn't he? If the sentence is of simple present tense, use the verb do or does in question tag. Charles goes to gym every morning, doesn't he? I drink coffee in the morning, don't I? Julie gets up early in the morning, doesn't she? Plants need soil and water to live, don't they? Rule number 4. If the sentence is imperative, use the question tag will you. For examples, give me the ink pen for today, will you? Please offer me your seat for some time, will you? Quit smoking from today, will you? Fire at the enemy, will you? Use mask at public places, will you? Write your papers with blue ink pen, will you? Clean my office in half an hour, will you? Rule number 5. If the sentence begins with let's, use the question tag shall we? Let's play basketball on the ground, shall we? Let us study English grammar today, shall we? Let us go to watch movie today, shall we? Let us take your brother with us, shall we? Let us help our parents from tomorrow, shall we? Rule number 6. If the sentence begins with there, use the same word as pronoun in question tag. There were many problems in the family, weren't there? There can't be a chance to enter, can there? There will be no difficulty in paper, will there? There is a special office for technical staff, isn't there? There will be a space for parking, won't there? Rule number 7. If the sentence begins with somebody, nobody, anybody, everybody, everything, nothing, etc., use pronoun they in question tag. Nobody helped them to carry their bags, did they? Anybody can solve this problem easily, can't they? Everybody are dancing on the stage, aren't they? Everything discussed properly, didn't they? Nothing remained to eat, did they? Rule number 8. If the subject is plural, use the pronoun they in question tag. All students appeared for scholarship exam, did they? My friends were playing on the ground, weren't they? Boys are not writing a paper, are they? Teachers don't waste their time in reading, do they? Schools are opening in December, aren't they? Rule number 9. If there is a verb am in positive sentence, use the verb are in question tag. I am writing properly, aren't I? I am going to participate in the camp, aren't I? I am taking Smith with me, aren't I? I am thinking positively, aren't I? I am the captain of our school team, aren't I? Hello friends, thank you very much. We will study one more grammar lesson in the next video. Okay friends, goodbye. See you again in the next video very soon. Bye bye.